Now I'm going to brief you about the ServiceNow and our training structure. Okay, how the training will be given and all the details. Okay, so before going in, I think I will share my screen. Can you guys able to see my screen?
Yes.
Yes, yes.
Okay, so first I will give my introduction. Myself, Praveen. Okay, so I have total 6 years of experience in ServiceNow. Okay, so as a developer. Okay, currently I am working as an senior developer. Okay, for a product based company in ServiceNow. Okay, so this is my introduction. Okay, so how many of you familiar with ServiceNow in your experience, or you are very new to learn? Can someone confirm like you are very new?
New to learn.
The meters.
Okay, yeah, cool. So
Yes.
as I told you, right, first I will cover the ServiceNow introduction, like what it is and how it is useful. Okay, how it is useful to the companies. Okay, so later I will take you to our training structure. Okay, timelines, how we are training current batches. Okay, so this is what we are going to discuss here. Okay, first, if I go to ServiceNow, right? See, ServiceNow is the cloud-based platform. We call it as it's a platform. Okay, so we call it as cloud-based. So what is meaning of cloud-based? So the meaning of cloud-based is we can access the service now from anywhere. Like for example, right? Uh, if you know other tools in the platform like BMC, Remedy, okay, and other tools, okay, to use those functionality, right? To use those functionality, you need to install their application in your system. Okay, but for ServiceNow, you don't need to install anything in your system. Okay, so you can access from the browser, any browser. Okay, so just by navigating to the link. Okay, so that is what the cloud-based platform is. Sorry, Srinath, are you speaking? Okay, so yeah, that is what the difference, right? So ServiceNow is a cloud-based platform where you can access from the any browser using a single link. Okay, so just you need to enter your email ID. Okay, and your password. Okay, so nothing much. Okay, your email ID and the password so that you can log in into the ServiceNow application. Okay, ServiceNow platform. Okay, so ServiceNow platform, I will divide ServiceNow platform into the three. So I will explain what the capabilities it had. Okay, so why it is so famous in the industry and what the capabilities it has. So I will divide ServiceNow platform into three parts. Okay, so first one as a database. Okay, so what is a database, guys? Everyone know, right? Database means it will store information. Correct. So it will store some information. Okay. In ServiceNow also, we can store that information. Okay. So where we will store? We will store in the tables. Okay. So I will tell you what is a table and where it is, but I'm just giving you an introduction. What is a database? Database is nothing but it will store some information. For example, if you log into your Zomato application, right? If you create an account, then automatically the data will be shown to you, right? It means it will be appear to you. Correct. So similarly, ServiceNow also stores the data, okay, in the tables. Okay. I will tell you what is this table and everything. Okay. Second one is development. Okay. Development. So ServiceNow, see, basically, if your company, right, if your company want ServiceNow platform to use, okay, they need to just purchase a license. Okay. License means it is some other word like subscription. Like let's say if I want to watch movies in Amazon, right, I need to purchase a subscription. Okay, so then only I can go and watch the movies in Amazon or Netflix, right? Similar way, ServiceNow platform will also have a subscription. Okay, so basically, what companies will do, like outside IT services companies or product based companies, so what they basically do is they just purchase the subscription. Okay, once they purchase the subscription, they will get the features. Okay, so I will tell you what is the meaning of features. I think everyone aware, but I will just brief you what is feature. Okay, let's say you have a mobile, right? If you want to order a food, okay, so what you will do, you will install Zomato and you will order it, right? By default, it won't be available in your mobile. You need to go to App Store or Play Store, download that particular application to order a food. Correct. Similar way, ServiceNow have some default applications as a platform, right? It is have some default applications, okay, which comes with the subscription. Again, I told you, right? Subscription, okay. And in a normal environment, right? Like in a companies, okay. So every application will solve problems. For example, I told you, right? Zomato. Okay. So if you download Zomato, one of your problem will be solved is ordering a food. You can order it from anywhere, or you can sit in your home and you can order from anywhere. Similarly, there will be a default applications in ServiceNow. Okay, so where they are used to solve the business problem. Okay, so what is the business problem? So if someone don't understand what is the business problem, I will just tell you one example. Okay, let's say you are working for a company. Okay, so every company will have the departments, right? So HR department, IT department. Okay, so every company will have this. Okay, let's say you are the person working in the company. Okay, and along with you, there are thousand more people are working. Thousand more people are working, right? So now you want to contact IT department team because you face an issue with a laptop. Okay, so you are using a laptop, you got an issue, so you want to meet the IT department team. Let's say there were only 5 people in the team. Okay, so for example, the same issue which you had affected, I said 1,000 people are working, right? So here I'm taking it is affected 500 people. Okay, out of 1,000, 500 people got affected with the issue. Now there are only 5 people who are working in the department. Now, what are the two ways to solve that issue? One way is go and contact directly. Okay, go and contact directly. Imagine if you are going, 500 people are going and contacting directly. That's how stressful it is, right? Even for them and for you as well, right? So this is where ServiceNow comes into picture and it will solve this problem. So this it will solve this problem by ITSM tool. Okay. So this is an ITSM tool. Basically, this is also a application. But so I'm just telling you in real time how it solve the business problem. Okay, so that you will understand like okay, this is how it works in real time. Okay. So here they introduced ITSM application. Okay. So what this application will do? This application will allow you users to create a ticket. Okay, create a ticket and backend we can automate the flow using our developer and everything. We can automate the flow to assign that to IT department team. Okay. So, which is easy. Creating a ticket are easy. Going 500 people to the IT department team and meeting it, which is easy. So, creating a ticket easy so that we can check that issue and resolve as soon as possible. Okay. So, this is what the meaning of application in ServiceNow. Okay. However, I told you example of Zomato, right? So, however, it is helping you to the order food online. Similar way, there is also in a service now called as ITSM application, which helps user to manage company to manage their IT department request and follow the perfect timeline to answer and resolve them. Okay, so this is one of the example. Okay, so coming to development. Okay, so this is where see now my company has an issue. So this is an default application I got from ServiceNow. Okay, let's say I don't like it or I don't like that solution what they are providing. Okay, so ServiceNow was also providing an other option. Okay, if you don't like what we provided, okay, so you develop your own application. Okay, for example, like if I tell you I'm using Swiggy application, right? So I don't like it. Okay, I don't like the way, I don't like the interface, I don't like anything. So now what I can do is I can develop my own application like Zomato in ServiceNow. Let's say in ServiceNow terms, if I don't like this ITSM application given by ServiceNow, what I can do, I have an capability in the platform. Okay, I have a capability in the platform to develop my own applications. Okay, I will also show you one example because it should be very interactive and very practical session. It's not like theoretical session. I will show you that current batch what application we are building so that you are also aware that okay, this is something is a practical training. It's not like just teaching for 1 hour and going it. So I will tell you everything. Okay. Now I come back to here. So the development application is also capability to build applications. This is where ServiceNow is very famous, right? So why? Because it not only have that applications by default, it can also providing availability to build own applications. This is where development comes into the picture. That's what we are looking for, right? We are looking for ServiceNow developer, right? So this is where the development comes into the picture. Okay. Basically, I have one question. Is there is a free? Yeah, it is there. Yeah, I will tell you. Free version is there. We can practice it. It is similar how we use in the platform, how we use it in real time. Okay. So I will show you in a minute. I'm just explaining what is service now and how it is. Okay. I will tell you. Okay. So this is where service now is very famous. Okay. Whatever the platforms or whatever the tools are available. So mostly they are inbuilt applications. They won't provide the development capability. If they provide also, it should be some extent. It's not like whatever you can do, you can't do everything there. Okay, so this is where ServiceNow is famous for. Okay, and yeah, this is totally about ServiceNow. Any questions here? Any questions? Okay, so I'm taking it as no. Okay, so now coming to, yeah, we can also integrate the applications like Jira and any other third party application. Okay, so ServiceNow has an integration capability. Okay, so where it can integrate with any platform just by the configuration mostly without writing a script. We can also integrate it. We have called something called as rest mess. I will talk this in the course content. Okay, I will talk this. We will also covering integration here. I will talk this in the course content. Okay, so this is about ServiceNow, guys. Okay, that is about ServiceNow capability and everything. Now coming to the practice, right? So ServiceNow providing free environment. Okay, so where we can practice, we can practice for free. Okay, we can practice for free. For example, this is a ServiceNow developer instance. Okay, so here I log in. This is a ServiceNow platform. Okay, this is a developer platform. ServiceNow is providing for the developers to use and build the applications and practice it. Okay, so however you look the platform here, similar way it will be available once you join into the companies or if you work on the projects. Similar way. Okay. This is the platform where you contain a lot of applications. Okay, so all the applications you can search it here. Let's say I told you IT service like ITSM tool. So if I type incident, okay, so this incident comes under ITSM tool. Okay. If I open this thing, anyone need anything? Bharat, can you go on mute? Yeah. So this ITSM is also a tool which helps user to provide or user to submit their issues. For example, I told you here, right? So here what we have, above example, like along with you, there are 1,000 people working. They all got the issue. Okay. So this will help you to create a ticket. Okay, so that the ticket available in the platform. Okay, this we call it as a table. This is the incident table. This is the data stored here. Okay, so here we can also, this is basically my intention is just want to tell you, you can not only learn theoretically but also you can learn practically using this platform in real time. It's for free, anyone can learn it. Okay, so yeah, anyone can learn it. It's for free. And what you need to do, we will provide you. Like let's say you want to learn about something, right? We will also give the activities. I will show you in a minute. Okay. So in this platform, you can learn anything. Okay. So this is about ServiceNow. If someone not aware of what is about ServiceNow, this is about ServiceNow. Okay. So coming to our course structure and what basically the course is about and what we are providing, right? So course structure. So basically, if you apply jobs outside, okay, there were the three main roles in ServiceNow. Okay, admin, okay, developer, tester. Other than this, there will be also other roles like business analyst, okay, business analyst and consultant, consultant. Okay, there were other roles also, but they are functional. Okay, so mostly these were the roles available in outside for the job applications. If you want to apply for any job from LinkedIn or from any, let's say if you are from any country, right? Here there are many people in different countries. So if you want to apply any jobs in service now, you will have these three mainly, the three main job applications or job pub- publishers you see in the platform. Okay, so here we are going to learn in this course. We are going to learn all these first three. Okay, and as a business analyst, you want to know about the platform, like how the platform works. As a consultant, you will also know about the platform. Okay, so we will cover everything here. Okay, so these were the roles basically you will apply outside if you want to get a job in service now. Okay, so coming to course structure, guys. Okay, this is 40 days course. Okay, so daily 1 hour 15 minutes. Okay, so in this 1 hour 15 minutes, 1 hour trainer will take the class. Okay, trainer will take the class. Okay, last 15 minutes is a working session or Q&A session. Okay, so what is the mean by working session and Q&A session? Okay, so I will tell you. After every class, we will provide activities. Okay, so activities that you can practice in the platform. Okay, so whatever we are teaching in the class, we will also provide you some activities. For example, for everyone understanding, I will tell you like an assignment. Okay. So we will provide you the activities. Okay. So what you can do is you can practice your activities in this platform. Okay. Whatever the class we have taken, same activities we are giving you to your practice. Okay. So these activities are very important. I at the current batches, right? I will ask you to everyone, perform these activities. Everyday class, I will ask whether he did the activity or not. Okay. So we'll provide that activities after every class. Okay. This 15 minutes is there, right? In this 15 minutes, if you stuck somewhere in these activities, or if you have any questions in the current topic or any previous topics, we'll answer here. Okay. So that's why our session is 1 hour 15 minutes. Okay. So we don't want to close the session with, okay, just say we done with the class, we will close. It's not like that. We will also want to take the queries and see like how you are learning, right? So end of the day, that's the main goal, right? So we will allocate you 15 minutes every day. Okay. If you have no questions, you can go, but we are just we will be there. If you have any questions, if you have anything, you can ask. Okay. I got one comment. For yeah, I will come to this. Okay. I will come to this. I will cover everything, guys. No, don't worry. Okay. So yeah, this 15 minutes we will answer it. Okay. So coming to these activities, how these activities look like. Okay. For example, these are the activities we are giving for the current batch. Okay. So let's say we have this activity one. Okay. This we will share it every day. This is the activity one where you will find step by step guidance. Okay. Where you need to go and what you need to do. Okay. This is how we will practice in real time, right? So everything step by step will be given, and you just need to follow this and do these activities. Okay. So that you will understand about the platform and you can also practice it. Okay. So yeah, we will also provide a live project. I'm coming to that part. I'm coming to that part. I'm coming to that part. Give me some time. Like I want to cover everything. So I will come one by one. Okay. So these are the activities, right? So as I told you, now beyond these activities, okay. So what we are trying to build is we are trying to build. Okay. Every day we'll share the activities, guys. It's not a single day and we share and we leave. Okay. So every day we will share that activities. Okay. So yeah, you asked about real-time application, right? Okay. So in that real-time application, coming to real-time application, okay, now every day we are providing that activity, right? With that activity, with that activity, we are building an application. I will tell you. I will tell you. Don't worry if you don't understand. We are building an application. Okay. So we are building a real-time application. For example, guys, I will take whatever I'm covering for the batch. I don't want to hide and say we do everything. We have already done that. We are also doing. See, this is an custom application. If I open this, see, this is an loan request application development. This is an activity too. Okay. So here we will also provide step-by-step guidance how you need to develop applications in ServiceNow. Okay. So yeah, this is a real-time application. And only the thing is, we are just, we are just, we are not giving entire application in a single day. As you are newly joined, right? We are not giving entire application in a single day. We are just giving it as like one by one. Like let's say, if I give you single application on this today, you have not learned the concepts, right? How you will do it? You will unable to do it. So what we will do, we have just divided those activity as like an activities as a one by one. We'll give you. Okay. For this loan request application, this is an continue activity. This is another activity. This is another activity. This is another activity. Every day we will share part by part. Okay. So for example, this is a scripting part. Okay. So this is a scripting part. So every day you will get these activities. So this will basically help you to practice in the real time. Okay. So this will be similar how you see in the organizations. Okay. So coming back to here, and this is one way of developing real-time application. Okay, while you are learning. So this is while you are learning, right? So there will be also another application, live application development. Okay, which will be happening last 5 days of the course. Okay, so the, at the end of this course, you will develop two applications. Okay, two applications. One is in start along with the course. Okay, along with the course, and other one is at the last of the course. Why I told you last of the course? Why? Because see, while you are learning in the course, you need to learn the topic. Correct. So you need to learn the topic, then you need to develop an application. Right. So that's why we will provide one live one li- one sorry one application with your activities. Okay, after completing all the topics, okay, all the applications, like all the topics in the service now development and admin and implementation integrations, we will provide you chance to develop one more application at the last, because at the last you are aware of all the concept, right? And of that you can build any application you want. Okay, so this is how it will be like. Okay, and coming to other one, as the part of the course, okay, we will teach admin, development, okay, and implementation, okay, implementation, integrations, JavaScript. So JavaScript, how to use it in ServiceNow, right? It is very easy. So don't worry, like if you are not familiar or if you don't have background, because we are seeing many batches, right? So lot of people say they don't have background experience with the JavaScript and they are not from IT or they are not from computer science. Not a problem. Like it is not that difficult. You can understand it. We will help you with that in the course. Not a problem. So this is what we are teaching you in the platform. So once you are out, and one more thing, ITSM. Okay, ITSM is an ITSM is an what module? Okay, so we are teaching all the 5 hours. I think six, all the six to this course. Okay, so if I take you to the one more thing, see, I will tell you how we'll give you the JavaScript JavaScript assignments, like, because you guys worry, right? Let's say I don't know JavaScript how to do. Don't worry. For example, this is our one of our activity on the scripting. Okay, so we are given the statement at initially, like there will be a freshers or there are no experience in the industry, right? They don't know a coding or anything, right? So what we are doing is we will give the problem statement. Okay, we will only provide the script. Okay, just use the script and try to do the solution. Okay, why? Because we are providing, it's not like everyone cup of tea, I know that. So that's why we will provide the statement, we will also provide the code. This is our recent activity we have shared to our previous batch. Okay, so where we have provided everything, we will ask them to practice this. Okay, so that they will also get hands-on experience on that. See, end of the day, our goal is not to just teach and leave, to get hands-on experience. Okay, that's what you need in real time for the development. Okay, so there is one more question. Is there any possibility to import another ticketing tool history in ServiceNow? Yes, you can import. We have something called as import sets. Okay, you can import. I will coming to that part. Okay, this is how our activity is done. Now I will come to the course content. I think everyone got this core curriculum, right? The course curriculum. Okay, so as I told, this is what we are covering: admin, development, implementation, JavaScript, integrations, and ITSM. So we have divided this into lessons. Okay, totally we have, I think we have 27, I think. Yeah. 27 lessons we have in this. Okay. So I will also tell you which comes under admin, which comes under scripting. Okay. So from lesson number one, okay, from lesson number one to, okay, from lesson number one to lesson number, yeah, lesson number 11, these are all admin part. Okay. From lesson number 12 to 13, 14, 15, 16 are the scripting. Okay. And from lesson number 17 to and lesson number 27. Okay. These are all, you know, configuration. Okay. Writing a script is an optional. If you want it, you can write. If you don't want it, you want you no need to write. So that is the beauty of ServiceNow, right? Why everyone want to learn ServiceNow is, I said I have experience, right? So I am also now also I'm working in ServiceNow only. So what is the beauty with ServiceNow is 60% on the platform you can do without writing single line of script. Okay. Rest 40 you need to write a script. Okay. That also only JavaScript. You don't need to learn Python, you don't need to learn SQL, you don't need to learn anything. You only need to learn JavaScript. Don't worry, I said that also will be covered here. Okay. So 60% you can do in the platform without scripting just by doing the configuration. Configuration means just moving from here or moving out from here, just adding one thing. Okay. So that's how you can do it. Okay. So we will also cover JavaScript, and I will also covering integrations. I think someone asked integrations, right? Yeah, we will cover here like how to integrate with a third party system. Okay, how to integrate with ServiceNow, one ServiceNow environment to other ServiceNow environment. And I think there is one more question asked on, can we import other application data into ServiceNow, right? So this is other topic where we can do that. Okay, import sets. Okay, so right, let me take the questions here. I have few questions. Yeah, you can get it. I will also tell you. Okay. So if the scenario is new, I will also tell you how to use the AI to get the scripts. Basically, not, I'm talking very freely. Like everyone is not expert in coding, right? So from here, from here, right? So I will also tell you how to get the scripts. There are communities available. If you post the question, they will get you. And I will also tell you how to use the AI, how I will use it to get the scripts. Okay. So you know need to worry. Yeah, coming to certifications, guys, it's not mandatory, but yeah, there will be the certifications. Okay. Again, I am telling, if you learn this course, okay, if you learn this course, if you want to do the certifications, you can clear 3 certifications by learning this. Okay. So I will tell you what are the certifications. Okay. So first one is CSA. Okay. Certified Administrator. Second one is CAD. Application Developer. Third one is ITSM. Okay. So IT Service Management. So these 3 certifications you can clear if you learn this course. Okay. And let me see what are the questions. Can we get here? You can get lifetime access. Yeah. For recordings, for the activities, you will get lifetime access. That no need to worry about that. And one more thing, guys, one important thing. So this is our core curriculum, right? So we only not only provide you the recordings, okay, we will also provide you the handbook. Okay, these are all free. You just need to enroll our course, you will get everything. Okay, we will also provide you handbook. This handbook is is a self prepared by us. Okay, so it will contain all the you are seeing this core curriculum, right? You are seeing this course curriculum. Okay, whatever the topics we are covering here in the class, okay, it will have very detailed information of it. For example, I will take you one module and just show you. Okay, so let's say these are introduction. I don't want to take introduction because everyone will know ServiceNow once you learn it. So, for example, I have user administration, right? This is one of the module. So, and we will teach this in class practically how to do it. But after the class, you can also watch recordings. You can also refer into our handbook. I will show you how our handbook is. Okay. So this is our handbook. I think you can guys able to see it, right? So this is our handbook. It will contain all the course curriculum, whatever we are telling you here. Okay. So what is the difference between this core curriculum and handbook is here we are just framed the topics. Okay. But here you will you will contain all the information what is about it. For example, I told you, right, user administration module, this is a lesson. Okay. So if I want to learn that thing, what you can do is you can just navigate to our handbook here. So I will go to third module. So where is it? So here it is, user administration. Okay. So here it will contain all the information with the screenshot. We don't want to put it like entire something like we will read some book, right? Novel book. There will be no images in that. You will just find lines of like writing or lines of things, right? So here we don't want to make that like that. So whatever we are writing, let's say I'm writing one line here, right? I'm writing this thing. Okay. There will be a screenshot also so that whoever is learning this they will know that okay whatever we are telling that is there in the platform. Okay, so it is not like just reading a definition, right? So let's say here user creation. Okay, so here user record contains username, password and information relating such as contact information. Okay, so below we had also provided a screenshot. You can see the screenshot. Okay, so that you will understand okay there is somewhere in the platform where it will store. Okay, so here also we had mentioned this user table. So similarly you will contain all the modules information. Okay, if I take you to the scripting, guys, if I take you to the scripting, this is where I told you, right, scripting begins. Okay, scripting, yeah. That's what we know. Basically, our existing batch founds very useful this handbook because we cannot only dependent on the hours, right? So after completion of our training, also this handbook will be given to you. You can use it for your learning purpose. Okay. So recordings and this is a lifetime access. Okay. So this will gives you the what is mean by client script. Not only the definitions. Okay. So we will also examples here. You can see this is an example how you can write a syntax. This is how you need to write a syntax in ServiceNow. Okay, so everything will be explained. So that's a good thing with this documentation. That's how we prepared, right? So it will also help you to understand the syntax and how that code being used. Okay, so let's say here we have this method. What is the purpose of this method, right? So this is how we have this handbook also which will help you to learn along with the our recording videos and the course. Okay. So as I told you guys, this is what we are providing for. Okay. So I think I'm good with the demo. Any questions you can ask? Yep. I'm leaving it to you. Any questions? Or you can chat and type in the chat. Not a problem. I will also share this demo recording to you guys. Okay. So if you are not there from the starting, yeah, you can listen it again. Not a problem. Okay. Any questions? Bye. Okay. So yeah, if no questions, I think we will reach out to you. I think you like the demo, and thank you for joining on this Saturday also. I know you are interested in learning service now. Yeah. Again, thanks you for taking your time and joining here. Okay. So fees details and everything will be communicated to you on the WhatsApp. I think you have already reached some person, right? So they will communicate you. And coming to the batch, right? We are starting batch on 17th, guys. Okay. Our new batch is going to start on 17th. Okay, this month, March. Okay. So the timing will be mostly morning. Okay. If you want evening, okay, just inform to the person who reach out to you. Okay. So inform to a person who reach out to you. Basically, our timing is 8 to 9:15 a.m. Okay. So if you want one different time, we have morning and evening. Okay. At the moment, we are giving only for morning. If you want in the evening, just inform her. We'll check it and we'll inform you back. Okay. So no need to worry about the timing again. Okay. Can you also share demo? Yeah, yeah, I will share you. Just you can ping me of Harita or Priya, right? You have contacted someone, right? Just ping her. She will give you the demo. Okay, the demo link. I was told evening. Yeah, evening was also there. I think you were from Afghanistan, right? Yeah, yeah. For you, it will be there in the evening. There are people from India and there are people from USA. Okay, that's the timing I told. If they are wanted in India timing like morning, so for you, you are from Afghanistan, right? It will be in the evening only. Yeah, I know that you are from Afghanistan. Yeah. So what about the recent market ServiceNow developer? See, there are opportunities available. Okay. So if you go with the LinkedIn and you can search it, there are lot of opportunities available. Okay. So only the thing is like everyone knows, right? If you're working in IT, so if you want to get some job, you need to clear interview. So that technical capability you should have to clear it. Okay. So opportunities are always there, right? So ServiceNow again, it's a booming technology, right? You will find a lot of jobs in near future also. As I know with my experience, there will be no need to see back for next 10 or 15 years on this platform. Okay. See, I know only ServiceNow, I know only JavaScript, I don't know .NET, I don't know SQL, I don't know anything. I am able to sustain for last 5 to 6 years just by telling the ServiceNow as my domain, right? That's how it will be. I won't tell I know SQL, I don't tell I know .NET. I will just tell I know ServiceNow, I know JavaScript, I know how to use the platform. Okay. This is only one technology where you can only you will be perfect. You will be perfect, right? Let's say it won't happens in real time is people basically shift, right? Let's say we have started one technology today. Let's say we did for 2 years, then the technology will go out from the market. Again, what happens is we need to learn it again. Right. Okay. So there is no problem with service now. There are people who have told their experience. They are with good packages or good positions right now. So you can see those in the LinkedIn. If you want apply, see if you want how the job openings are there, you can apply it in the you can see it in LinkedIn or Naukari. You will get the things. Okay, job market is always there, but only the thing is whoever want to try it, crack it right. We want to clear that interviews. Okay, so this thing I forgot to tell you. Okay, we will also give you the interview questions for every specific module. Okay. So whatever the modules you are seeing, we will provide interview questions for every module. So basically, it doesn't mean that they will only ask that, but let's say you attended an interview for 30 minutes. Okay. There will be a questions from that what we have given, at least 4 to 5 questions. They will be the common questions. Okay. If you have 2 years, 3 years experience or 6 years experience in service now, they will definitely ask that questions. Okay. So we will also give you module specific related interview questions which basically helps you to apply the job. Okay, thanks for remembering this. Yeah, now I got it. Yeah. Okay, any other questions? You can just comment it out if you are not to speak. Yep, I can read it and I can answer you. I'm giving for 5 more minutes, guys. Okay, so if you have questions, you can ask. Otherwise, we can drop off. And as I know, right, rest everything details you will get from Priya or Arita. Okay, So she will contact you and inform you about the details. Okay. Mm, yeah, if no questions, okay, cool. I think you are good, Prabha. Yeah, thanks. Thanks, Royal. Yep.
Thank you, Praveen.
Yeah, thank you, everyone. Yep. Hope we'll see you in the session. Yep. Thanks.